Is AI making software engineers less valuable? The answer is complicated right now because the evidence is already showing up in real work, from weaker debugging skills to a bigger fight over whether companies should cut people or spend more on compute. The clearest warning comes from the work itself. Studies cited in the paper found software engineers who used AI assistance showed reduced debugging skills compared with those who worked without it. That is not a theoretical fear. It is a skill hit inside the day-to-day work engineers are paid to do. If AI is handling more of the routine coding flow, the danger is that the human on the team gets slower at spotting what breaks. Then comes the money fight. An NVIDIA executive said, "The cost of compute is far beyond the costs of the employee," arguing that right now AI is more expensive than paying human workers. That flips the usual layoff story on its head. Companies are not just asking whether AI can do the job, they are asking whether the machines are actually cheaper once the compute bill hits the ledger. Behind that cost debate is a heavy infrastructure load. The context points to robust, workload-engineered systems, from workstations and PCs to high-performance computing servers, storage, networking, and HCI. It is a deeply integrated software and hardware ecosystem tailored to the job. That means AI adoption is not just a software switch. It is a full-stack expense that can reshape budgets before it reshapes headcount. That leaves software engineers in a squeeze. Some may lean on AI to move faster, but the research suggests that support can come with a trade-off in debugging ability. At the same time, managers are being told AI may still cost more than a person once compute and infrastructure are included. So the next battle is not just who gets replaced, it is whether teams can afford AI without weakening the people who use it. The real story is not that AI has already won or lost against software engineers. It is that the first evidence points to a messy middle, weaker debugging in some cases, and higher compute costs in others. Watch whether companies value speed enough to pay for both the machines and the humans.